pillow. Once, an old priest was tired after a long journey and stopped at a wayside inn to rest. At the same time, a young farm laborer also arrived at the inn. He sat next to the priest and the two started laughing and talking. The young man looked at his dress and said with a sigh, "See, what a miserable wretch I am. You seem to be well fed and healthy, so why do you suddenly complain of being a miserable wretch?" replied the priest. "I work hard every day. I want to be like a great general and win battles, or be a rich man, but I am a poor farm laborer." When he began to get sleepy, the priest took a pillow out of his bag and said to him, "Lay your head on this and all your wishes will come true." The pillow was made of porcelain. It was in the shape of a tube. It opened at each end. A great man. The farm laborer put his head on the pillow. One of the openings of the pillow was so large and bright that he went in and was soon in his own home. He married a beautiful girl and soon became a rich man. Next year, he passed his examination and was made a magistrate. And after a few years, he became the prime minister. One day, he was accused of treachery and sentenced to death. He made to kneel down, and the executioner approached with his sword. He was too scared and immediately opened his eyes. He found himself back at the inn. He saw the priest resting. He bowed to the priest and said, "I thank you, sir, for the lesson you have taught me. Now I understand what it means to be a great man." He left and went back to his work. The magic paintbrush. Once a poor boy named Ma Liang lived in a small village in China. He wanted to be an artist and drew pictures everywhere. One night he dreamt that an old man gave him a magic paintbrush to help poor people. In the morning, when he woke up, he found the magic paintbrush on his desk. From that day on, he used the paintbrush to help people. When people had no water to use in the fields, he drew a river and the river came to life. One day, he drew some rice for the hungry man. A few days later, a rich man heard about Ma Liang. He was very greedy and planned to steal the paintbrush from the young boy. He ordered his guards to imprison Ma Liang. He took the magic paintbrush and felt very happy. The greedy rich man. The greedy man drew many pictures, but they did not become real. Angrily, he said to Ma Liang, "If you draw some pictures for me and turn them to life, I will set you free." Ma Liang got an idea. He agreed to the idea of the rich man. The rich man said, "Draw me a golden mountain." Ma Liang drew a sea first. Then he drew a golden mountain far away from the sea. The rich man got angry and said, "Draw a big ship quickly to reach the mountain." Ma Liang smiled quietly and drew a big ship. The rich man jumped into the ship. When the ship sailed to the middle of the sea, Ma Liang drew a large wave that destroyed the ship. The ship wrecked, and the rich man never came back. Ma Liang went back to the village and went on painting for poor people.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.